Hello, hi friends. Support me, brothers. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See the difference of how to edit photos on Android phone. Adjust the color of the photo, somewhat white. Then open the beauty mode and face fix. Adjust how much you want on face to clear face somewhat. Then crop your photo. Cut it like this. I cut the somewhat of the video. The length is to cut it the full body. Then start the next button. Now set the somewhat is going off here and there. Set it now by the erase. Watch the full video to learn perfectly. Follow this method. You will be perfect in the editing method. There are two apps is very good. One is Picsart and another is Lightroom CC. Go and download on Play Store app. Save the photo of the sticker of yours. Then come back. Open the gallery. Choose the background pic. Whatever you want to keep your wish. After saving this, discharge it. Then choose the background that suits for your face or photo. See, so many backgrounds are there. I am taking this. Then open the picture. The main reason is photo will be not nice. Do the resize to make perfect pic. Keep 6000. They will be show two numbers. First one 1448. Keep that 1448. This is because if you crop the background pic, the photo will be not nice. If you do resize, then will be nice. I don't know perfectly English, but I'm trying to explain it. I'm still learning to speak English. My ideas is explaining about you to help you. If you follow this method, you will be perfect in editing. Yes, I know edit, but I don't know hairstyle. Editing of hairstyle. Then crop it how much you want background. Choose the border. Take it white color. Save this photo. Then this photo will be sent to the Lightroom CC to make photo perfect, to get nice high quality. See the Lightroom CC is very nice app. Picsart also good. These two apps are very nice, very good. So download it and learn editing. Follow this method. Watch the till of the end of the video. See, so many photos are I am edited. I think so this video will be helpful to you for editing purpose. Set how much you want that suits for your face, color, shadows. This is my new channel, so viewers, support me, subscribe, like and share. Comment it below how is it my video. If you have doubt for any other things, comment it. I will try to explain you.